Madam for Bakwa, my boy, and 2 quite friend Ali.
Ali.
Mali. Madam for Bakwa. Men are my boy, and man 2 quite. She or UK, no, she or for UK or US.
Wow.
She or bar or the music. I was like, friend before some make a sound say, Ali. It's not only woman number. What's a black? Obi our boy more crown than me. Our
surprise.
Oh, no, I say, I'm money, maybe I quite your mammy. No, you won't go for what's a man like me walk on my pamani back. Say, most will be children. It will be more children.
That is why Bassa.
I was saying, you will be a man.
Oh,
now, I don't know what kind of. I don't know what kind of. Or more, my boom, you know. Maybe I should also back.
Of course.
Because I live in baby and it's more than that.
It's what I want to do.
What in my UK 8 years. Name me, my boy, to confess a country. No. And any panako could see the soon cry, I remember the moon.
Wow.
What to kind of?
Why, dear, you are a good person. I'll show you. We took and be our one year or back.
Yes.
Okay.
Mrs. to follow, sir.
And that reminds me. Miniaba Pat. Only medium comobi. Or say I only need a groby. Go fiancé.
Me. I'm ready to go. I'm needy.
I say an episode so
me.
Aye. But anyway, maybe
babe, come on, no, me so. Oh, come on. Show about what you. And you are the other one. I don't know. I said,
change to one, that's into his MG. Ah,
they say, and you're fine to that extent or catch yourself. Miss Solomon. Also, I am a catcher and say, on Rankasa on penny pack. It's one hand I only need ya grow. As usual, let me look at your Casa and yet, who now didn't you? Me, Gidia won't. Tell you, me now, Jimmy. So how will I know say because when I done for the credit won't come out one here?
Oh, yes, I don't know, Mamma. Oh, yeah, crack. It only needed this out and grown up from a personal.
No, also, Upio fear. I can't know me no one. And I also Upio, yeah, I can't mean no one. I don't know, so there be our own phone. It is sometimes make a son of one or send a bono. See, you can so funny or catch your no, there be like a no pan and process when I can make a son of a let me be honest with you.
What told him say, oh, yes, sir, she said, open. And I said, we are trying to make advances. Process into the Gynel, oh, dear, I am not sure I would do.
You know, I'm even surprised and speechless.
Meaning, sir, but funny so, we are to our name shake. Bye.
No, Nasa Mayowa, dear, at least come to me. Black, ABR.
Only need their grow, that's the problem. Only need their grow, they are fine. But she doesn't know. So I say, my explaining a much, you know, me they come to you again.
Sweetheart. And no pound. I said, I can aim you. The Miss want to say, how will I know say, or then I don't feel quite the won't come off.
No, you're concerned about Nadam.
You was also, no, like she's too young. And I need enough for some. What I say?
Oh.
No. For the sake of your love, don't worry, my dear, you. Why? Because I only mean to me for me one time cemetery. And I'm listening to me for the being so made him come my phone when you also me born money. So I say, me find a personal. Why? It's today. But the most is so. It's been bro. Go there, because I'll be an woman. Why? Are you ready to run? Yeah. So, I'm going to tell you. Okay. Yeah. Baby food. Food is ready. No. Is she that stupid or? Hey, sister, the Pema Sama. I could expose me. I will deal with her, I swear. So when I see if you have me, I will deal with her drastically.
Good afternoon.
Please, I'm actually looking for 60 apartment.
60?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, 60. You see this T junction?
Sure.
Udua, Obefa on left.
Sure.
So
Left.
Udis and Nivea. There is a sharp curve over there.
Sure.
Follow that sharp curve. Yeah, so Ubeka could pay 60 hotel.
Oh, so I'm having close.
Yeah, you have been close. You have been
Sure.
close.
That's the point. I'm sure.
You are always welcome.
But my heroes are quite sure. Because my dash, my make fire. Oh, it's so stressful.
You're very beautiful.
Thank you.
Please, like, if you don't mind, like, can I know your name?
Oh yeah. I'm Accusations, Gynel.
Accusations, Gynel. Michelle, one area, one have a
Oh yeah. Me also come by.
Also
Yeah, I don't know if you know that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I want you to do me a favor, if you don't mind.
What's the
I want you to, give me a contact. Like, I want to be your friend.
That's fine. That's fine. Let me mention my number. Okay. So, yeah. So that's
okay.
That's the number.
Oh, okay.
Sure.
Okay. Gigi. Okay.
Yeah.
Gynel. Okay.
Yeah, sure. So
thank you very much.
I'll
give you a call.
Sure, I'll be expecting your call.
All right.
Okay.
Nice meeting you.
Same here. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay.
Should I go ahead and
I don't know who disturbing more fears that. Miss Ricotta, the one or meaning said them all on me, my better, I'll not make a something for
Chile Maker? I know one hour. But it didn't me.
Didn't I?
You said I blood you do a freaking. You think I would we systems. So think out of you another twice block.
And then I'm a church and I'm there twice.
City when you're cried, they're making us all tears.
So I saw my say, meaning, sir, drinking all the no.
You drink as some
drink. I was sending for ice broke.
You didn't drink, I'm sorry. Hey, we need. See, what my phone coming to this place. This is the bar, but you know, I'm the bar. So,
what do phone basic?
I'm very behind.
It's a nothing I made that wabe stress. What the phone?
Let me know. If I said about me here, maybe you see me so to do. So, sister,
Don't talk so blind. Mean Hey! Cancel.
Block.
Ube nyadi. My Judy.
Wait, oh. What?
Actually, movie been an area. And he said, "So almost sit down. What do technology?" No. Technology movie been an area. It's see an AC. It is see no more child.
Let's sit out here. Blood! It's a good
Gynel.
Jesus Christ!
I don't know. Some man can hold me. Who you are better than that? Share, baby. I'm a flap with that. I don't say something about that. Gynel, I swear I will never do that.
Sister,
how can you do this to me?
The phone let me see guys left.
Gynel, Gynel, phone is saving both and I'm you to up on your name. What I say, pa? Gynel, like
I defended you. Why now was hey? Who see a fool?
I swear I can't do that.
You are still even lying in front of me. Obi amachi o se so we can't me. How dare you? From if you have said call, I don't want to ever see you again. For your sake, call.
Come. Do not come and see me.
Also doing me.
Gynel,
who's doing
me? You make a sacrifice. And why am I?
Oh yeah, no, but
Fifi has a call. Fifi has a call. Never come to talk shit mouth. Fifi has a call. Why like this? Everything was true.
Trust me. I never cheat on you.
Whoa!
Do that. Today I swear. Today.
It's never me. I'm always in so in your own.
but you share.
This is how you're going to pay me back. Shut men I'm talking about. You go naked.
Gynel, you've done a lot for me, and I can't pay you back with evil. Gynel, calm down. Take care.
Phone way, this carry you better me.
Hey.
What the phone way? And this carry. Also the big glass.
Hey, moving at the issue. It's the night jack and they will get any other hands.
So why so why you maintain your home? You see, I don't want to ever see you again. Live here. Go! Nonsense. Hey! Jesus Christ.
I can't sure.
I can't believe my eyes. Ain't it? Say a black. Hey,
the be on my country. Old feel and with your own penny pack. And all the be about why I will see ID. Some will see ID, one will so fast.
Hey. They said, okay. Israel. My study will say, Ben may be a million baby fear, Sibia. Nice, say, Moody with you are person no wonder. I don't know the reason why. So, baby, I would dream when I grab you. Who knew me? It's Israel. Besa wa prepare it's an apartment too. It's a chamber in hall, it's a 2-bedroom or 1-bedroom cra. Are you okay? Me and Kasa meet you ama. What's it? So that also benya wa privacy na wabu bra. Because you being here, but maybe your baby bia meet me. So I didn't plan no more. We have a son no wonder. My dear. It's a lesson me pamu with from in chain, and I say me pamu with fear. Say, so, Mia, I'll take care of everything. You will pay beer or feel beer. I'll buy it for you. I'll pay for all your bills. It's true. You may be the baby. Okay.
So what come up to you say beer? And you na remember na bana one any subayin. Me from me home show me me home soon show. But boys no mo ba won chini na. Omo nye ready to you. Omo nye papa. Nyam na bia
me dem so mo nye papa die. Ba wo so hu hia me. So what I say. And enye so wo ya pofra. Unyini, I just want you to also like have your own life. So what must say? I feel maybe I'll be a very then I'll take it from there, you know. But as a pass, so say, what you have to I will go in France. Why?
Mr. What come today? But me, I'll call for Jay Dynamo, no, Susu. No, call for now.
And I said the way they open on our Courtship. No, I can't share prize in
Message you online.
Matt.
Oh, my is so sad. With the film shame.
Oh, yes, come on from here. That's fine. Listen, I feel why. So they be a better say to them, worry. Why?
I am let's no provisions for wasn't really.
Martin, they call me Nick a cook. I never brought. Why?
Sister, I'm going to so soon. Let me with laptop. So, educating two things. Online, I didn't wait.
Oh, they only online. Martin, yeah, so called life.
Mr. Nee.
Martin, quick.
Okay.
We do 50 years. Then I do see. We'll see what that guy will do. Oh, nice meeting you again.
Same here, beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Gigi baby, yeah, Gigi baby, Gynel. So beautiful.
Yes, dear.
It's not easy, but sometimes and I'm going to life betrayal lessons. And my own experience be so I kind of say past way be now for the what they are attending to our current situation.
Sure.
It's not easy for me. Trust me, it's not easy for me. Because my tenacia per bar sebi, but when I pop brow, but to my smile, the mass say. And here is all girls have been browning me, have been deceiving me here and there.
Hey, fine man like you. What's in way dear? It's unbelievable. The way you're too fresh.
Right.
You're too fresh. Like,
you know, baby.
Hey.
Forget. This one a generation. They were there. Wait till me fresh. Fresh way you know get money like fresh way you know wait. Forget. Me say me exercise. I know if you count them like maybe 3 or 4. The last one we have to say oh no there. Hey, me I'm there till married till casket. He brown me. Hey, they are say hey man you should not tell them. Would tell to also. So my dear me I'm tired of ladies but trust me. Me name there come me who are. Me say there be. I need to approach you.
Fine guy, like you're trying to tell me so when your girlfriend be or baby, you don't have a girl, you don't have a woman in your life.
Beautiful.
Like, really?
I will never lie for anything. Me, I'm the type. One thing I hate in my life is like lying to someone. I'll be real to you. Over to me, I'm fine with me, then you go your way. That is me. As I'm here with you now, I'm single. Me new be trust me.
Wow.
I'm single. And sorry, it seems like someone's calling me. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Copy, sir. Permission granted, sir. I take him, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Watch your mate. Okay. Bye-bye, sir. Sorry, my dear.
That's fine.
So as usual, like you already know what I do, right?
Yeah.
Me CID.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, me CID paying you pa me free a cry day. I'm back come say. It's not easy. Yeah, it's not easy. When I work, like we try to disguise ourselves sometimes. With me, I book tea, rasta, like you pin your ears and stuff a whole lot. So if you see me, like when this is my appearance, my dear, I'm very gentle and I'm very decent too. You understand me?
I
Yeah,
see.
but a human need to know. So they also this guy. So
Okay.
yeah.
That's fine. Anyway, I least expected though. Who is CID?
Yeah, CID.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So in a nutshell, what are you trying to tell me? Like, who can't go saying?
They make a go see na na dey my friend say in common no medical did bia SSB assembly wo ha e bu ne be but in kind of street it's the person me change na and say I really love you so much and then yeah I'm hoping like you do understand me. I mean it, my
You
dear.
don't mean it.
I mean it.
You love me.
Sure.
And I'm like, how many days now? And you're already loving me.
That is me. I'm
Like
following my
me.
heart. I'm the type like I don't hide my feelings. You understand? Yeah, I'll go in all out, like tell you my feelings. You feel me? Yeah. So my dear, me to me try and try fake. Say me pe na me di fake, na me di wada there be.
Well, to me, like me they mean to me kasabebre, But what I can say right now is, I'm quite sorry. Sorry, yeah.
Oh, okay, chat girl, nice.
And I can't just, But anyway, it has always been my prayers.
Sure.
Yeah, my bonfire, sir, or some boy, or strong on young coupons. I don't know.
Yeah.
Only maybe you are God saints.
Who knows? Like it might be because I've also been praying and be seeking for this loyal girl. Who's gonna stick to me always. You feel me? Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
The first day like that, I saw you I was like, hey, this is me approaching you, but it's respect, she got it. Trust me, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
You're beautiful. And then something I don't know you much, but I know how to detect beauty. Beauty is not just only the the outer appearance, but the inner too. So I'm praying I'm going to get that woman inside you, the woman that I want. Yeah.
Okay, you don't worry. I've heard you. So you make sure baby I'm say you can come and visit me. I was watching baby out so as well. Okay. Yeah,
sure. And look kind of my idea. But in the sense, you Kumasi, I say no. I've been just lodging in the hotels, and I also know.
So you don't worry. Make sure baby I'm yeah.
Sure.
Me. And then you also show me where you stay.
Don't worry, my dear. I will do that.
Yeah, okay. I would love to know your house and where you stay.
Don't worry.
Yeah?
Don't worry. Yeah. So, are you okay? Or do you want something else?
Yeah, I'm very fine. Yeah, sure. That's okay.